In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust letter spacing in Figma. Whether you're fine-tuning the typography for a design project or simply exploring Figma's robust features, adjusting letter spacing allows you to enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your text. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process together. First, you'll need to head over to Figma, which is a celebrated collaborative interface design tool used by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. Once there, you'll want to log in, so go ahead and click on the Login button. Use your credentials to access your account, and in no time, you'll find yourself at the Figma home interface, which serves as the central hub for all your design files and projects. From the home interface, locate and click on the Design tab, where you'll find a range of options related to your design work. This is the first step to accessing the text settings for your project. Once you've entered the design mode, search for the specific text you're currently working on, or create a new text element if you're starting from scratch. Next, click on the Text option. In Figma, selecting text is a critical step before applying any changes to its properties, including our focus today, letter spacing. With your text selected, your attention should now turn to the right-hand side of the screen where the design panel is located. This brings us to the typography section. In this section, you'll see a variety of text adjustments you can make, from font style to size, and importantly for today's goal, letter spacing. Click on typography if it isn't already expanded, and you'll reveal a panel with all the typographic tools necessary for your design work. Now focus your attention on the letter spacing. Clicking on this allows you to input the specific spacing value you wish to apply to your text. You can increase or decrease the letter spacing value depending on the visual aesthetics you want to achieve. A wider letter spacing might be desired for certain headlines or creative displays, while smaller spacing might be suitable for body text or more compact content. And there you have it. You've adjusted the letter spacing within Figma, adding a personalized touch to your text elements. By occasionally tweaking these settings, you can dramatically change the look and feel of your text, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the overall vision of your project. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on adjusting letter spacing in Figma. Keep experimenting with these features to continually refine your design skills. Make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials, and see you in our next video.